Hi guys, and welcome back to the Flat Media channel. In this video I'm going to show you the new AI portraits effects in Filmora 11 and how to use them. Make sure to watch the video until the end to learn how to do this the right way. Before we start the video, make sure to absolutely destroy the like and subscribe buttons, as well go in the comment section and start typing. Whatever you like, just comment something. Okay, now go in the description and get your Elements and Envato subscription, and download Filmora 11 from my link down there in the description. Let's now start. Okay, firstly create the video you want to add AI portraits to. I'm going to speed up the process. After that just go in Effects, and go in AI Portraits. It's super simple to add the effects, just drag and drop it and you have the effects. And in this part of the video I'm just playing around, dragging and dropping the effects to the timeline. Okay, so that's that for this video. Let's see the final result.